Hello. So this is all the equipment I have for Polytec, the ones I have left, and I'm going to go through each one of them, and to show you how they are assembled. So this is pretty much everything I have left. So we're starting with the head, the tilt pan. So this one is almost like a new, and it comes with the box that is half a circle at the end, at that end, and then here this is like a distribution box for power. It's got two end, like one cable, one plug goes into power, and the other one goes into the laser head, which is this one right here. We will get to that. So this whole thing will go all the way to the top of the tripod, and there are 4 screws that will need to go to hold the base, of the pan tilt, the Pelco pan tilt head. Okay. Now once we do that, we will put each leg of these of the tripod right here, and this tripod is Manforto by Bogan, I guess, and each one of these legs will go to the dolly. This is the dolly right here, and the dolly is also, so it has a adjustable ends where you can insert each leg into one of these, and it will hold it steady, strong. It will not tip off, and you can lock it or move it if you need to. So this dolly, this tripod, also by Bogan, Manfrotto, it extends. So you see here, if you release this one, it will extend the height to twice as much, which I'll show you later on. The Vibrascan, or the Polytec vibrometer scanning head, is this one right here. And yes, I do have a banana box to hold some of the other equipment. So this is the scanning head, the vibrometer, and that's the end of it where you turn it on and off, and that's the port for the umbilical cord here, or cable, and this is the front of it. And you have the other video where it was completely working. So this head will go on top of the tilt pan head, and the whole thing will go on top of this one. All right. And if you go back to see the other video, you should be able to see them in action. Now, I also, this is only the cable that I have as a package for this one and this one. That's the remote, which plugs into the front of the head, the scanning head, and the cord plugs, one end goes to this one, and the other end goes into the junction box, which is not here. Now, talking about the vibrometer controller, this one is 3001S, and it works perfectly. And this is the electronic cable. The electronic cable, I believe, it should go together, but it can be taken into 2 parts. The side dolly, I think it goes together. So this side, I think, will come out. I'm just guessing, I haven't done it. So this side can come out for easy maneuvering and moving around, along with this side. And then this cabinet will come out on its own. It has the rail door there, so you can actually put more equipment. And again, if you see the other pictures, when all the equipments were in there, you'll have a better idea. And this comes with a just a power strip. That is high rating power strip, where you can plug in all the equipment right here. And as you see, this is one of the high-end cabinet with dolly. This is the manufacturing, the Pro Rack, double Pro Rack, and the certificate. So this is pretty much all what I have to show you, but I will put everything together quickly and show you how that all work. I'll be right back. Okay, now as you see, dolly was up to here. Now the tripod, so it is goes all the way to here. So, and this is the base where actually you can use these screws, 4 of them, to install the base of the tilt pan. But you need to take this part out. See, you need to take this part out right here, this part out, and then from inside you put these screws into the base up there. And after that you can use the already provided screws for the base of the scanner head or scanning head to put them right here, and you have room to go front to adjust it back and front. And this is the scanner head, and then you all sit. So this one goes on top of this one already on top of this one, but you need to take it to install this black box first on the tripod, and then put the head again here, and then the whole thing will go on top of this one, already using the 4 screws, and everything on the dolly you can just move it smoothly any which way you like, high or low, whether for professional cameras or any kind of other equipment like laser heads or anything else. Now this whole thing will be connected to the equipment right here, and then you get yourself a great system if you have all the right things. Okay, I hope this is useful, and thank you for watching.